up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have with me two Nike sportswear boxes. You know, I really wish I could do one of those clickbait kind of things. You won't believe what I got my hands on and all of that. But nah man, like you can see down here in the title, I got my hands on two Dunk Highs. But shout out to the homies that pick up your sneakers for you or let you ship to them. So before I get into the sneaker, much love man, Varuna and Manoj for bringing these through to me, and obviously Sahil for hooking me up. What I have with me are my first ever Nike Dunks. These are not SBs because I've had a Dunk SB before. These are just basic Dunks. Before that though, got some tees. These t-shirts as well were sitting in Dubai at a friend's place. I think Manoj's place. And all of them are from amongst few. First two are their general releases. This one says, "The reason is beautiful." I think this one says amongst few as well. Just says amongst few, rather. This one's a collab with Karim Jabari. And this one's got a print all on the back. I can't really read Arabic, or is that Urdu? I'm not sure. But if you know what it says, take a screenshot and drop the translation in the comments below. Alright, so now with that out of the way, let's get in the sneakers itself. Both these pairs are a UK 8, which is a US 9. One pair I got at retail from amongst few, and Varuna was there to pick up one of my other sneakers, and the second pair is slightly over retail. It's just very little bit over retail. So let me unbox them together, I guess. Ooh. And man, such beautiful pairs. I know, I'll show you guys too. There you have it, the Nike Dunk Highs. This one's the pure platinum right here, and this one's the Maize. And man, right off the bat, like the materials on this pair. Well, let me just go through it one by one, alright? The material is just so soft on this pure platinum pair. And the funny thing is that Varuna happened to walk into amongst few, and he was actually there to pick up my lucky green Jordan 1, which is still sitting in Dubai. And he walked into the store and he found these sitting there, and he just picked it up in my size. And the reason I picked up the pure platinum is because I think they remind me of the Jordan 1 neutral grey. And then Manoj hooked me up with these Maize Dunks with just a little slightly over retail. These are, man, the materials. You know what? I've heard that the newer drop of the Dunks, like the Vast Grey or the Football Grey or whatever, don't have such great materials like these ones do. These are, man, this is so nice. I told you why I picked up the pure platinum. It's because it reminds me of the neutral grey. And this pair, the Maize Dunks, I picked up because of its association with the Wu-Tang Dunks. Although the Wu-Tang ones must probably have been like a friends and family pair, because I don't think they did more than 50. I don't really know what the number is, but you know, I just don't do bright colors. But with this pair, I had to make an exception. It's just so nice, the color blocking. And did it come with extra laces? Let me quickly check. Right, so the Maize Dunks, they came with extra laces. You have the black right here, and you have the white as well. And as you already know that I always swap out the laces for black, but on this specific pair, I think I'm going to keep the yellow laces on. I'll take you through a few differences between what I've noticed from these Dunks and the ones that dropped recently. Is that these come with a very Jordan 1-esque lace. It's got that nice fat lace, or the broad lace going on. And the newer models, I feel, come with a lot thinner laces. The tongue is mesh right here, flat white laces. On the pure platinum, it's an all white upper with the only platinum detailing being on this outsole right here, which is grey, and on the swoosh right there. You have this nice padded, soft sock liner. It's nice and thick right here. As for the Maize Dunks, same as the other pair, all leather upper, nice thick padded sock liner area, and those Jordan 1-ish flat laces, nice and thick. I must point out that these don't have air. These aren't Nike Air, which is why your comfort on them is going to be like really basic. The fact that there's no air branding right here on the tongue should let you know that there is no encapsulated air unit like you would have on the Jordan 1. And you know the Dunks came out at the same time as the Jordan 1, which is why you'll see so many similarities. Like for instance, your outsole. I mean, this is like the same traction as on a Jordan 1 outsole. And the color blocking, the silhouette, the shape as well. But I must let you know that it's dimensionally very different. Let me actually pull out a Jordan 1, yeah? Like, do you see that? There are several similar design elements, but then in terms of dimensions itself, both these pairs are so different. And look at them side by side, the top-down view. Alright? And now for the outsole. See what I mean about the outsole? Speaking of Jordan 1s, I need to do the smell test, don't I? Let's go. Let's check how this one smells. I mean, they're not bad. They kind of smell like Jordan 1s, but not as good. Man, I'm like totally in love. I can't wait to put fit pics together with these sneakers. And speaking of the pure platinum, what I'm thinking of doing is throwing on my Jordan 1 Shadows gray laces so that they match with the swoosh and the outsole. Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw them on these so that that's gonna be like a proper platinum vibe. And these I'm gonna rock them with the yellow laces on, man. I went through the size with both these pairs. I tried on, did I try them on? I don't think I did. Yeah, I did actually. Yeah, I'm gonna now try this on feet so that you can take a look at how they look. That sounds stupid. I am now gonna slip these on my feet to show you what they look like. Let's go. I think that's about it for today's video, you guys. Thanks for tuning in, checking it out. I really love these dunks. What are your thoughts? There's been a sudden resurgence of the dunk. I'm just lucky I could get my hands on these two really nice pairs, you know, because I think everybody's just really chasing the lows and nobody really cares about the highs. But I don't know, man, I kind of like the highs. Thank you for stopping by. If you watched all the way to the end, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up as well. I think that about covers all of it. I'll see you in the next one, you guys. Peace.